Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Elina from Barbie Fairytopia Mermaidia in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how we can create this look. Okay, to make the process faster guys, I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to put on to create Elina. Okay, the first one, we will start with the hairstyle. You're going to choose four hairs, and the first one you can choose this hair from the petal update, and then you're going to toggle it back, and then you're going to do this adjustment for the hair position, rotate, and then scale, and then combine it with this one. You're going to apply this color, and then you're going to make it no bangs, and then for the adjustment you can copy this adjustment, just adjust the position guys, and then combine it with this one. And then you're going to choose default, and for this hair you're going to color it like this. It doesn't need adjustment for this hair. And then this one you're going to choose no bangs and then color it like this, and then you don't need adjustment. Okay, and then you're going to put on this mermaid tail. Okay, you're going to choose default, and then you can color it like this. And then you're going to put on this top. This is from the VIP items. And then you're going to color it pink. And then this one as well, make it pink. And then this top from the pirate set, you're going to choose only necklace and then color it like this. And then this top from the VIP room, you're going to make it default and make it pink and make it glitter. This crown, the seashell crown, and then you're going to do adjustment. This is for the adjustment. And then you're going to put on this item from the Valentine update, and this is VIP item. Make it pink as well, the same pink color. And then you're going to put on this item, make it pink. And then this Ella skirt, you're going to make it short and make it this pink color. And yeah, I think I have already mentioned all the items that you need to put on to create this outfit. Oops, sorry, I forgot to mention one item, this cloud. You're going to make it dark gray to create rock or the mermaid. Then you can color it like this. Okay, and now it's done, and you will have this look. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.